Welcome back to my channel. As you see from the title, today I'm preparing a cheesy baked mashed potato with green peas. Very delicious, and the whole family will enjoy this one. So if you'd like to see how I prepare this one, just keep on watching. For my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Newcomers, welcome. So just keep on watching. Okay guys, here's our starting ingredients. I already cooked my potato and my green peas. And there I have some Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese. And this one is like a yellow cream cheese. I don't remember the name fully. Egg, butter, milk. And the next step, we're going to heat up the milk and the butter. And then we mash our potato. Self-explanatory. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video. oven, and I'm just garnishing with some freshly chopped parsley. Yes. And I serve this with some fried chicken, barbecue pork chops, steamed spinach, and dinner was yummylicious. Yes. And this is a great way to have the family eating vegetables for those that can relate, for the kids not wanting to eat vegetable. Yes. Well, my family did enjoy it, and I hope you guys will check it out and give me your feedback. Yes, guys, I'm still practicing my plating techniques. Your girl trying to be presentable. Yes, I've completed twice in a plating competition, and I've second place twice. Yes, but still practicing. So here is dinner, guys. It was very delicious, as I mentioned earlier. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Give me a like, drop me a comment, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't, put your bell on. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.